So there you have it. How to draw intuitively, how to use your mind, how to use your emotions, how to use your fingers, and how to use very basic. Beyond comprehension by immaculate splendid ways. What you're going to do is give this beast some antennas. It will be a little antenna, because if we need antenna, how are we going to sense food? How are we going to see food? Or we will smell food, determine food, find food, because the bee needs to eat, yo. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Alright, so let's give the bee a little trick. So these antennas are like Wi-Fi, how you can sense. See, not that.